everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa and I am the Crafty Author, and today I am announcing the winners of the Crafty Author coffee mug, and I just want to thank everybody for entering that giveaway. It is a little different scene here, so I'm actually coming to you from my office where I work instead of my craft room. So anyway, this video is going to be very short. I'm going to announce the winners, and then I will email those winners to let them know that they have won. They have 48 hours to get back with me to claim their prize and send me their mailing address so that I can get those items out to them. So I first of all would like to thank everybody who entered, and I would like to thank you all for your support. And let's announce the winners. So the first winner, the one from the United States, is Deborah Davis. And the second winner is from Canada, and her name is Jeannie Hubbard. So I want to congratulate both of you, and you have 48 hours to claim your coffee mug, and I will email you as well. So congratulations to both of you ladies. Thank you so much for entering and for following, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.